Stay home, stay safe. This is our main motto to protect ourselves from corona. So, today I would like to continue the remaining part of the letter to friend. How happy we were as from here. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. So, how did they feel when their uncle visited them? We should know that. And they enjoyed a lot when their uncle visited them. He brought toys and fruits for us. So, what did he bring? What did he bring for them? Their uncle brought fruits and toys for the sake of two friends, Mr. Ramesh and Suresh. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. On the occasion of Dasara or Vijayadashmi festival, his aunt brought a dress for him. For whom? For Ramesh. So, for the sake of Ramesh, he brought a new dress. How we enjoyed Deepavali. So, their childhood days were very nice and they enjoyed a lot. In this sense, we won't forget that. So, I would like to say one thing to you, my dear children, and they enjoyed any festival you take in their childhood days without showing any hesitation. They enjoyed a lot. And now, still, I hear the sounds of the crackers. So, they are cracking various kinds of cracks. They enjoyed a lot, no doubt about it. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of lights. Yes, they are flying crackers and also rockets and everything. That is, Deepavali means the festival of lights. We know that. On the occasion of that, how we enjoyed. We should know that. Through that, that should be helpful to us. That shows our enjoyment in this similar sense. Where are those days? My childhood doesn't know his uncle. My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. So we know who are our uncles and who are our aunties and who are our brothers and who are our sisters, our relatives, our friends, our neighbors. We know everything. When we come to our children, they don't know actually who is their uncle and who is their auntie, who are their relatives. This is a clear state. They think the neighbor and the uncles are the similar. That's the view, which is not right. So I would like to clarify their doubts because I am living very far from my parents, my relatives, whoever may be. And actually, the neighbors, they think that. And here you see, sometimes I think of our childhood days, I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, and sisters. So, giant families played very, very important role in those days. Is it right or not? We know our uncles, we know our aunties, we know our grandfathers, great grandfathers, and great grandmas and grannies and uncles, aunties, and also great grandsons, great grandson to the great grandfather. Whoever may be, they are all living together. By listening the various kinds of stories that will encourage us, we can enjoy a lot. Is it right or not? So, we missed them. We missed the joy of family. We missed their company. We are missing many things in this busy life. So, in our Hyderabad, our life is very busy. We don't have any time to mingle with others, to meet with our family members, whatever may be, which is not right. So we felt very bad. In our childhood, we enjoyed a lot. We played very important role that made us very happy and enjoyment. And here you see, from morning to evening we are doing always busy work. So that's the clear state how we are feeling, whether we are well or ill. By knowing this, we can come to the clear conclusion regarding this. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone. So we enjoyed in our gardens. Now we are in a apartment in a flat. So no garden is there to play. Is it right or not? Those fairy tales, those fruits, those words of love and affection. So nobody is here to tell fairy tales, interesting tales. Is it right or not? And in the similar sense, I would like to give clear information regarding this. And no one is here to love us. No one is here to show affection on us. This is my view. And how we enjoyed as a young children. We lost our real life in the unreal world. We are living in a fiction. We are living in a fiction. No one is here to enjoy us. This is the clear state. We should know that. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Yours loving friend Ramesh. So he expressed his total views regarding his childhood days, how he enjoyed, how the elders take care of him. So we know all these things. We know all these things. This is the clear state. And what I would like to say, how we enjoyed, what is our state of mind. And remember, my dear friend, I am waiting for you. If you come here, we come together and remember how we enjoyed in our childhood days. So this is my view, my dear children. When we have giant families, everyone played very, very important role in our family to take care of us, to look after us. And they made us to enjoy. They made us to enjoy. And they treated us their children. Everyone look after them. And no need of jealous, no need of no need of egoistic. Only they know only thing how to show their love, how to show their affection. So my dear children, that's why as a students of you, if you live in giant families, you know the importance of those families, you know how to take care of them, and you know how to move among yourselves in the real world. Don't live in the fiction. Come out of the fiction. This is a physical world, drastic changes in the society. We know how to move ourselves according to the changes of the life. So that's my view, my dear children. Change your attitude, enjoy yourself. And this is the letter which was written by Ramesh to Mr. Suresh. They are relatives, they belong to similar family, and he expressed every view what he had done as a child. So this is your lesson. Tomorrow we shall continue. Okay, ma? Have a good day.